YouTube? Just got another package in the mail. It's my new fuel pump for my car. I'm going to open it up right now so we can take a look at it. And here we go. I'm going to leave a parts number in the description. Now for my particular vehicle, I was going to supercharge it, which I'm doing right now. I'm going to need more fuel, and the stock fuel pump will not supply what I need. So I got this one. Now this is for the 2006 Ford Mustang GT, but it also fits, believe it or not, the Taurus with no modifications. This has more fuel pressure. This has more fuel volume, and it's good up to 350 horsepower. More than adequate for what I need. And that's it for today. More unboxings to come. Until then.